So let me introduce myself. I'm Satish. I'm going to be your trainer for this complete Azure and other things. So since it's a first day, so let's have a small introduction about ourselves. Like you can just introduce your name and how many years of industry experience you have, and then which location are you from, and if you have any prior experience in Azure, you can just let me know. And if you're completely new to Azure, you can just say that you're new to Azure. Simple four things: your name and which city are you from, how many years of industry experience, and how many years of Azure experience if you have. If it doesn't have, you can just say you're completely new to Azure or fresher. Okay. Four informations that would be helpful for me to get about yourself. Okay. So if you want to add anything on top of it, you can. Okay. So yeah, guys, you can quickly make a start up.
Hi everyone.
Yes, Ramya, your voice is a little bit low for me.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, slightly better.
Yeah, I'm Ramya from Bangalore, and I
Okay.
have 6 years of experience in IT support, tech
Okay.
support,
Okay.
and I am new to Azure.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Ramya. Yeah, the next guy.
Hi, myself Akshata,
Yeah.
and I'm from Bangalore itself. I have an experience in non-IT for 5 years, and
Okay.
I'm new to Azure.
Okay. Great. Thank you.
Hey, hi. This is Rupa here. I'm from Bangalore and I have a total 9 years of experience in IT. I'm currently an Exchange and Office 365 admin. So I have a pretty well knowledge in Azure Directory to managing this and Office 365. Yeah,
Okay.
apart that in Azure, it is a new for me, except Active Directory.
Okay. Thanks, Rupa.
Myself, Padmavati. I have around 5 years of experience in IT as a QA. So I want to
Okay.
upgrade myself. That's why I have joined this course and
Oh,
I'm new to Azure.
okay. Which city are you from, ma'am?
Bangalore,
Bangalore. Okay.
Karnataka.
Okay. Get the next guy.
Hi, I'm Rajat.
Yeah. Hi, sir.
I'm still studying in engineering college and I don't have any experience in IT field.
Okay.
Um, I'm new to Azure,
Okay. So which city are you from, sir?
Bangalore itself.
Bangalore. Okay. So may I know like what kind of educational background that your stream belongs to?
Information
Is it
science of
info?
engineering.
Oh, okay. Great, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Hi,
Hey, hi.
myself Naresh.
Yeah. Yes, guys. Anyone? Yeah. Anyone?
Hi,
Yeah.
hello.
Hi.
Hi, my name is Narendra. I'm currently pursuing my degree in third BBA.
Okay.
I'm from Bangalore. I'm new to Azure.
Okay. Great. Thank you. Get the other guy.
Hey, hi. My name is Monisha. I'm fresher. I am new to Azure.
Okay. Which city are you from?
I'm from Bangalore.
Okay. Great. Thank you.
Hi, sir. I'm Kusma.
Yeah. Hi, ma'am.
I'm from Bangalore and I'm a fresher. I'm new to Azure.
Okay. Great. Thank you. Guys, I see more folks are there, but still they didn't coming on.
Hi sir, this is Aishwarya. I'm
Yes.
from Ballari and I have a
Okay.
2 years of experience in QA.
QA
Yes.
and new to Azure.
Yeah.
Okay. Great. Thank you. Guys, I see many folks are there still. You want me to call the names, guys? Pooja, Anand, Sri Ganesh, and Janvi, Malvika,
Hi, sir.
Karthik. Yes, sir.
I'm Sri Ganesh. I have 3 years in experience in application support, and I'm from Chennai, and I'm new to Azure.
Oh, okay, sir. Great. Thank you, sir.
Hi sir, I'm Puneet. I'm from Bangalore itself. Recently, I
Yeah.
don't have any experience.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Amravati, Bhavya, Ramya, Sri. What happened, guys?
I already introduced myself.
Oh, okay. Okay, no worries. So, thanks for giving a small introduction about yourself, guys. So, just for the information from my end, I just want to have a deep insight like what my audience are about. Okay. For that reason only, I just want you to introduce yourself. And I thought it would be a good part if you all talk about it. So you will have a small interaction within ourselves. That's my complete aim of it. But that's fine. I'm quite good. So I can able to see that there are like two set of people who are in my current group. One set of people who are having like 5 years of experience and 2 or 3, and other hand completely most of the people are freshers and who are pursuing their graduation. So I can able to see two set of peoples. So the people who are having a work experience, they are very good. So which means like they can able to understand what I'm trying to say. So because since they have faced the industry, say they know how the things are going to work. Okay. But the graduation people, you can also get my points very clear because I'm going to start everything from zero. Okay, so you will also get many things from me. If you can't able to get some things during some class or some time, okay, you can just please let me know. I'm good to help you to make it understand better. Okay, so that is one thing. So my general audience are two types. One guy is of 5 years or 4 years, and other set like completely fresher. So, and I see that on other hand, completely new to Azure. A lot of people are completely new to Azure. So that's a good thing that I can able to see. So it's very easy that if you don't have any knowledge, so that I can able to completely mold as per my own shape. Okay, so that would be quite easy for me to go ahead and do it. And whatever the syllabus or whatever the stuff which I'm going to talk, I'm going to talk completely from zero. Okay, so I'm not going to talk from a high level. So I'm going to talk from zero. Sometime if you can't even able to get that, okay, so you can please let me know. I can able to think an alternative way what can be done better in your particular case to make you understand. Okay, so that's it from my end. So since it's a first day, I don't want to talk any kind of technical jargon words on the first day itself. So slow by slow, the deep of the ocean is keep on going to increase. So that how I just plan to take this complete curriculum. Okay. So the first 2 days or the 3 days, it might be lightly weighted, but the other classes and other things are going to be keep on going on their own depth. Okay. So if it is completely new for me, I'm happy. So you will learn many things. The first 2 days alone, guys, the people who have already a cloud knowledge or something, if you are aware of it, please hold on your breath so that the other people also will be on a same track with you so that you can just start the complete things. Okay. So this is one small thing which I need to say, and I'm quite good. And something which I need to talk. Okay. As of now, guys, you guys have any sort of questions which is running inside your head so that If S something, we will talk about it. Anyone has any sort of questions?
I have a question. Is this course is enough for we have to get certification for the
No,
betterment?
no, I'm not getting you.
Like we have certifications, right, for Azure or AWS. So,
Yes.
like, will this course help us to achieve that, or should we have separate
Okay.
self
So
study
when it
for
comes to
getting?
okay,
Yeah.
yeah, I got your question. So when it comes to certification, there are like two sort of certifications are they. One is from Microsoft, where you have to write the examinations and you have to clear the examination and you have to get around 70 percentage of the mark in order to pass the examination. And if you do that, you get a certificate from Microsoft. That is one certification. The other certification is something like which you get from the Besant when you complete this curriculum. Okay, so there are like two sort of things. The Besant, you will get it when you follow the curriculum and other things, but uh, Microsoft one, like you should crack it like once the things are done. Okay, so you should put your effort on it.
Is this course will help us to crack the
Yes, absolutely.
Microsoft Azure?
Yes, absolutely. If you focus. Okay, guys. What?
I have one more question. Am
Yes,
I audible? Yes, hi.
yes, sure.
This is Sumit. Is this like some syllabus designed to crack any certification? Like, I was thinking I should crack AZ-104 before I joined this, and I was asking this with the
Okay.
Besant Technologies. They said this is specifically designed for this, but somehow I feel from your statement it's not such. Or am I in misunderstanding?
No, no. This is specifically designed for AZ-104, and I will share you the syllabus over the WhatsApp group. Okay. So it's been designed by the Besant. So we are going to completely follow that. And if you guys completely are with me, then you can able to do it.
Okay, and what kind of support are you planning to give us? Like, is there any
Okay.
test papers or any hands-on
Okay.
experiences?
Completely hands-on experience. So, because like most of the people here, the audience who are here, generally they want to switch their career from whatever the stream they are working on. They want to move to cloud. That might be the 90 percentage of the people audience who join this particular thing, and few might be they want to understand how the cloud things are working, so they want to upgrade themselves. Few people might be in that particular case, but 90 percentage of the people who want to move their career towards the cloud, that might be the reason. Okay, so when it comes to that particular case, you need to know the hands-on labs. Okay, so whatever I am planning to do, and it will be absolutely practical. Okay, so which where you can able to learn everything in a practical way, which makes you even more better understanding. I will never use any kind of PPTs or something boring slides or something for you, because I know very well that we are going to work on an industry, and no one wants here to write the examination, and they don't want to write a paragraph or essay or something in order to do that. Okay, so everyone needs to have a practical skill, that is really really important, which will help you to crack any sort of examinations, and you will have a personal connect like what you are trying to do rather than reading the bullet points and other things. Okay, so my complete way of things will be practical. I can roughly say around like 95 percentage of the things whatever I'm going to talk, that's gonna be like completely practical. So that makes a better understanding for you. Okay. So once you know the practical, automatically the theoretical things and other things will be the sub part of it. Okay. You guys are getting the point, sir?
Yes, we got it.
Yeah. Okay. So this how the things are going to be there. And one more thing, guys. So once we are planning to go out and learn something new, right? I'll be very honest with you. Okay. The learning curves are a little bit harder. Okay. No one in this world, the people can say that learning is absolutely easy. Okay. Until or unless they open it. The learning curves are going to be really harder. Okay. And I'm the guy who's going to help you and who's going to make that process in a smooth way. Okay, so I need your 100 percentage of your focus that needs to be given. If you give your focus, then I'm super good and I can give you the better delivery points, and you can able to take it and you can make this process in a smoother way. Okay, just guys, just think that in today everyone aim, I know that they want to learn Azure and they want to do something good in their career. For that reason only everyone have joined here, and they have a trust towards me right now, because you would have spoken with someone else before earlier or someday, but today I would be the POC completely when it comes to Azure for you. So basically you everyone have a trust towards me that okay, this guy is going to handle something for me and I'm going to put you in a good position when I leave this class. When I want to do that, I need a little bit of focus from your end, so that that will help me to do that job. Just think that there is, let's take an example, there is one guy in this group, okay, who never joined this class very regularly. He will join on Monday, he will join on Friday, and sometime Wednesday, that too he will join for 5-10 minutes and he will drop off. At end of the day, if he thinks that I want to be a perfect guy in Azure or Cloud, whether he can be, and you know the answer of it, 200 percentage he cannot, because he is not following. If you're not following, then how the process can be smoother? So it cannot be, right? So everything or transparency, you can able to understand what I'm trying to uh, say, because we are all mature right now. So only one hour a day that you wanted to focus and you want to be with me, that helps me to give you the very good points and you can able to take it up and you can learn more things. And I know that there might be some cases in the personal life, we have family, we have work, and we have other things also to be focused in this important world. I know that whenever you are not able to join this class, super good, fine, just go and do the other job whatever you have. Once that job is done, every calls are recorded, whatever we are talking, right? That every calls are recorded and the recording will be posted on the group. Okay, so you can just check the recording before you join the next day, so that you will be also on a right track with me. Okay, so that is one small thing which I need to give for you. Okay, so if something or the other day when you are not able to join, I'm absolutely okay, but just check the recording before you join the other day, because the class 1 and class 2 might have a connectivity. That time if you're not focusing on the class 1, directly jumping on a class 2, which will make you like little bit hard for you to understand it. Okay, and then what it makes you feel, right? Okay, this is not my cup of tea, Azure is a little bit harder, so I won't read this. So you are pushed into an uncomfortable zone, and which makes you land in a wrong direction, which I don't want you guys to do it. Okay, so if it is not possible, check the recording and then come again and then join and continue with the same ladder, so that everyone can be taken in the same train and I can drop you everyone at the same destiny. Guys, everyone can able to get my point, I believe. One round of S. No.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, we
Okay.
got it.
Okay. So guys, and I don't want to be like very something like very strict or very rude or something. So okay, how do you treat as a friend? Okay, how do you talk with your friend? You can be very joyal with me. Okay, so whatever the things you want, you can just take it from me, and whatever I know, I will just share every knowledge with you, and you can also learn things better. Okay, so don't put in me in a higher position that okay, this guy knows something, so I will keep him away. So he is going to teach me, so he's considered a strict teacher, or he is going to be my trainer, or he is going to be my boss. No, everyone are equal here. You know better than me, and I know better than you. Okay, so everyone has a equal knowledge on their streams. So let's everyone join together, and we will put our hands together, and we will grow everyone. Okay, so that's it from my end, which I need to talk when it comes to a generic overview or advice, whatever I can give you on the day one. Okay, so this is one thing. And the second thing is like everyone needs to get one kind of subscription. Okay, so what is this subscription? Another thing I will let you know. And before talking about the subscription, let me give you one small example. Now you are planning to watch a movie on a Netflix. Okay, so you are planning to watch a movie and you set up environment, all good, everything is perfect. You have a internet, you have a power, all good. But if you don't have a subscription on a Netflix, then can you able to watch a movie over there? Definitely the answer is no. The same way, now you all here as came here to learn Azure. Correct. So if you want to learn Azure, then you need to have a basically something called a subscription. Okay. So I will let you know how to get that subscription in a detailed way. I will do that for you. So once the subscription is ready, you are super good to take it. Okay. So that you can learn things by having that subscription. So if I don't have a subscription, can I able to do something? That very thin line, you can't able to do anything without a subscription. Okay, very thin line. You cannot keep a next step if you don't have a subscription. So just try to get a subscription. Getting a subscription hardly will take you 5-10 minutes. That's it. And it's absolutely free, guys. Okay, and I will just let you know the complete process, how to get it and how to do it in a detailed way, so that everyone will be there on a right track with me. Okay, so I will just do that for you. And please make sure that everyone needs to have a subscription. And if you're not having it, then you're traveling in a wrong direction, and we are traveling in a good direction. Okay, so don't be like that. So always you can just follow me. If you have any adults or something, please let me know. We will fix it accordingly. Okay, great. So I'm quite good by this time. Now, since it's a first day, guys, still any other guys has any sort of questions, we will take it up. Any sort of questions which is running in your head, guys? S no will be better.
It's no, yeah.
Okay. And one more thing. So let's make this class interactive. Okay. You can just say your answers or your opinion by saying yes or no. That would be helpful. Okay. I will let you know the reason why it is. It is something like psychological thing. You won't trust me the process, but if you just trust it, it will be very beautiful. Okay. I will let you know. Now you are sitting somewhere in the world, and I'm sitting somewhere in the world. So now we are all connected to the same call. Correct. Now, I'm not sure that you guys are listening to me. You might be watching Instagram, or you might be having fun in your mobile phone, or you might be dedicatedly taking a notes while I'm talking. So you can be anyone among this category. Correct. So if you are taking notes and you are doing good, I'm happy. The guys who are not giving their 100% focus during this particular 1 hour, okay, then again you are traveling in a wrong direction. So always have a habit of saying yes or no with me, so that what happens, right, psychologically you will be in a mindset that okay, there is a guy who is talking with me, and I need to respond towards him by saying simple answer like yes or no. And my 99.9 percentage of my questions will be yes or no, by simply asking whether do you get the point. Any questions? Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. Very, that's it, guys. Because I know very well that you guys don't have any knowledge on Azure, and I'm completely going to talk from zero. So when I talk from zero, if any questions or something, I will put a pause over there. Every 10 minutes or every 15 minutes, I will keep a pit stop, so that if any trouble or something is there, we will sort it out there itself and we will move to the next point. That would be the great mechanism of learning. Okay, rather than me completely talking for the 1 hour, and after 1 hour, and if I ask that, guys, do you understand, and if anyone says no, then I'm going to be a little bit upset, because I've spent a lot of energy during that 1 hour, right? But if you're not able to get it, you should have raised your hand. That would be the better way, right? That's fine. So that's the reason that every 5 minutes or 10 minutes, I give a pit stop. And if you have any trouble or something, please let me know. We will fix it over there. Okay. Very easy. And this makes you that, okay, and there is a guy talking to me and I will talk towards him, so that that process itself will make you to understand even more better, and you will learn more things. If you're ideally on mute, right, what happens, then you get bored, or sometime or other time the first 2 to 3 classes you will be listening, and the fourth class you'll be having a phone, and that leads you in a wrong direction. Okay, so always just talk with me, so that the things are better, and you're going to say yes or no. So it doesn't, you don't want to be an introvert for it to say yes or no. And let's check whether everyone are with me, guys. Everyone are with me?
Sure. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
And there are like still
Yes, sir.
few people who never say yes. I know that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I know you might be thinking this is as a child. My opinion is S, and already there is a guy who said S. And why do I need to unmute and why do I need to say S? There might be some people like me. Okay. Don't be like that. Okay. Just come and say yes or no. That is going to change your life. If you don't trust me, the process, you hold on your breath. You can just ideally be on mute and you can observe the people who said yes, right? They are going to learn more things. You will observe. I'm 200% sure about it. Okay. If you don't trust the process, let's have the same question after 15 days and you will come to know that you will be the person who will be lagging something. Okay. So I don't want you to do it. But if you want to cross check or something, we will do after 15 days, guys. Okay.
Hi,
Okay.
I have one
Yes, sir.
question somehow.
Yes.
So maybe one question and one request. Question was, how many weeks is this course planned to be? Maybe
Uh,
2 months, 1.5 months.
like it will be like a 1 month. Okay. So it's how speed that we go. That is something really important. So I don't take it as number of durations. Okay. I don't believe on the duration. I believe on the process. I believe on the
Okay,
process,
maybe
how
minimum
fast,
4 weeks and maximum 5 weeks, something like this, or
something
I
like
just
that.
want to.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
something like that. Okay.
okay. And the request is, somehow I missed the first part. Could you repeat your name? Because I
Okay.
somehow
Okay.
never
Okay,
missed
fine.
this.
Yeah, I will do it, sir. No worries. Why? I will answer this question and I will just give a small introduction about myself as well. So that would be better. Why I don't give you the duration, right? Because I don't trust the process of duration. Okay, for any process. Because let me give you a simple example. You can able to understand my points. Let's take there is a guy A, and that particular guy is watching a movie, and he spends like 2 hours or 3 hours. Let's take a movie is about 3 hours. Okay, he's completely spending his 3 hours and he is watching a movie. Okay, and myself here, Satish, and my name is Satish, and I'm not watching that movie. And after he completes his 3 hours, and I'm asking that, hey boss, I didn't see that movie. Can you just narrate the story of it? And that particular guy who is going to completely narrate that story for me. And you guys know that that guy is not going to spend complete 3 hours to say that story. Hardly how many minutes he will take to narrate the story? Maximum 30 minutes. That's it. He cannot narrate more than that. He will be narrating that complete concept or complete overview of that story in 30 minutes for me. So I am the person who have saved 2.5 hours and he wasted 2.5 hours additional than me. Same story I came to know, but he spent 3 hours, but I spent only 30 minutes. So there is a key difference between the point. Guys, everyone can able to get my core point, I believe. The same way now here, whatever I'm going to talk about the technical words or the jargon words from the next day or little bit, okay, whenever I go on. So you might be seeing 1 hour, but beyond that 1 hour, there might be tons of hours that I have taken from my end that is going to be synchronized and that is going to be given to you. And you are the guy like me who's not going to watch a complete movie. And I'm the guy who did that and I am going to deliver it in 30 minutes. And you are going to get that sharp 4 point. Okay. So it's not about the duration. It's the point about the value, what we learn from it. Okay. That's the ultimate aim that I have. And I always trust the value, not the duration. And as you requested, sir, my name is Satish, and I have more than 7 years of experience in Azure, mainly Azure. And I work as a solution architect, and I'm a cloud engineer and a DevOps engineer. And sometime here or other time, I used to automate few of the other things by writing simple codes on Python or PowerShell or any other scripting languages. And I'm a automation engineer on complete infrastructure provisioning. I write a code on Terraform as well. Okay, these are the complete overview about myself. Okay, when it comes to the technical part and other things. So okay, yes.
Yes, got it.
Okay, great. So that's it from my end, which I need to talk on the day one. So since it's a first day, let me, at least we will put some simple concepts. Okay, so I don't want you to ideally join and leave. At least something you will take it today. So let me share my screen. And before that, okay, guys, I'm sharing my screen, and my screen should be visible for you in a couple of minutes. 1 minute. Yes, you all can able to see my screen, I believe.
Yes, it is visible.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you. Now, as I said earlier, right, you have to get one sort of subscription, which is really important. Without that, you cannot able to take your next leg. Okay. And subscription has two types. The first type is known as free trial. And the second model is known as pay as you go. These are the two models of subscription that we get from Azure. So since you guys are new completely to Azure, you would have not activated a free trial from your end. Okay, so we are going to focus how to get a free trial and which is being given by Azure in a detailed way. And once this is done, I will talk about this pay as you go as well. Now let me talk about this free trial. In order to get this free trial, basically you need to have three things. One is like you need to have an email ID, and the second thing you need to have a phone number, and the third thing you have to have a bank provided card. Either it can be a credit card or either it can be a debit card. It can be any card. I know that in this particular group, everyone would be having this all these three things: an email ID and a phone number and a bank provided card. Okay, and if you don't have this last one alone, okay, any freshers or someone, okay, who don't have any kind of bank card or something, you can use your parents or your friends or anyone whomsoever you know. Okay, you can just take an help from them to get your free trial done. And you need these three components. If the three components are there, you are pretty good to activate your free trial, which would be around 28 to 30 days. It's completely free of cost. So what is this 28 to 30? Okay, few people get 28, few people get 30, few people get 29. Okay, I have seen people getting 31 also, but on what basis they are doing that calculation, I'm not sure, because I cannot able to track that particular pattern how they do it. Okay, so roughly you get around something 28 to 30. That is pretty much good for us. Okay, now in order to get this, do I need to spend some kind of money? Absolutely, the answer is yes. You have to spend 2 to 5 rupees in order to get your subscription, and this will be taken from your, you have a bank provided card, right? You will be providing your 16 digit of the card information, expiry, CVV and other things, and you will be spending 2 to 5 rupees. 99% of the banks, they charge only 2 rupees, and have seen few banks which charge little bit heavy, that is 5 rupees. Okay, so if these things are there, then you are pretty good to go ahead and take the free trial. And I know that there might be few people in this group who might be having a small concern when it comes to bank provided card. So if I provide my card, will it be some kind of problem in future, or there will be any kind of additional money which will be taken from my pocket? Then who is responsibility? No. Here, you don't want to trust me. You can trust Microsoft. And when you try to activate this free trial, they would be clearly saying that no automatic charges are going to be taken from your account. Okay, so not even a single penny, even a single rupee, which will not be taken from your account without your authentication or without your permission. Okay, so you can just trust the Microsoft process and you can just go ahead and activate your free trial. And no even additional cost, no auto renewal, no hidden fees, nothing, guys, nothing is there. Okay, so you can just blindly go ahead and activate this free trial, and you can trust Microsoft. Okay, because subscription basically you're going to get it from the company called Microsoft. Okay, so this is about the free trial. anyone has any sort of questions, guys, when it comes to free trial? Yes, no will be better.
Uh, no, no, it's my.
No.
No.
Okay,
No.
great. So now this is the process of free trial. And what is this pay as you go? Okay, pay as you go is nothing but how much you use, you are going to pay money accordingly. Okay, now for an example, let's take one small example. That example is going to really help you to get it better understanding. In childhood days, okay, when we go like 20 years back, okay, so when basically we need to practice some cycling or something, okay, if you don't have a cycle or something, you will be going to a shop and you'll be taking a cycle for a rent, correct? And you'll be taking a rent for 1 hour, and then you practice your cycling and you develop your skill, and once that is done, you'll be returning the cycle after 1 hour, and the shopkeeper is going to charge you only for the 1 hour, correct? That is one mechanism that is known as pay as you go. How much you utilize and you're going to pay it accordingly. Now let's take an example in a weird way. Now you are the person who took the cycle for 1 hour. You say that, hey boss, I will return it in 1 hour. And you were practicing and you kept inside your home and you started doing your personal job. And after 30 days, you get a remembrance that, hey, I took the cycle, right? I need to return it back to the shopkeeper. And you directly ran and you return the cycle to him. Will that shopkeeper, will he charge for only 1 hour, or he will charge for the entire 30 days? Guys, what he will do?
Entire 30 days. Actually, he will pay.
Guys, how about this? Anyone here who says 1 hour? Definitely no one here will be saying it. Okay. The shopkeeper is going to charge you for the entire 30 days. Either you ride or you doesn't ride. The same mechanism is going to work here as well. Now you are creating something on a cloud, okay, which means Azure is basically a cloud platform. So when you create something on a cloud, okay, when for an example, you create something called A, and once the A got created and your practice is done, all done, your job is done, it's your responsibility that you have to delete it. Okay, and if you're not deleting it, what will happen? The cloud doesn't knows that you are utilizing or you're not utilizing it. It will be keep on running for the entire 30 days, right? And at end of the month, you are going to get a bill that, hey boss, and this is running in your account constantly for the 30 days, so you have to pay this much rupees, that much rupees. Is it a good thing? Really, the answer is no. So always a better mechanism that we will follow from the day one is like, whenever we create something, we will delete it on the same day. Okay, we will create during the class time, and once the class is done, we will delete it. And when you want to practice something, when I'm not there, you practice it, you create it whatever you like, and once the job is done, go ahead and delete it. So if you're doing this particular mechanism, then you are super good. Okay, you will not get any kind of additional rupees that you wanted to pay for it.
அந்த இதை மீட்டிங் அச்சருவா
Uh,
இதுக்கு ஓகே நம்ம
I request everyone to go on mute, please. Now, this how the process works when it comes to pay as you go. Okay, so pay as you go, you have to be a little bit sharp. Like when you create something, you have to delete it. If you're not deleting it, the cloud doesn't knows that you are utilizing or not utilizing. Same example like what I said about the cycling. Okay, so the shopkeeper doesn't knows whether you have been utilized or you're not utilized. He is going to charge you for the complete 30 days. The same mechanism is going to work on a cloud also. So always from the day one, we will create it, we will learn something, and once the job is done, we will delete it. This is something known as pay as you go. And I know that we are quite good when it comes to free trial and pay as you go. Guys, everyone are clear here? Very simple thing that you have learned on the day one.
Yes.
Can I have one round of
Yes,
S
it
on?
is clear.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
perfect. This how our
Yes, sir.
learning curves are going to be these. Okay, so we are going to learn something theoretically, and then I'm just going to do it in a practical way so that this process becomes even more understandable. Now I just request someone to share your screen so that I will help you to navigate and show you that how you can able to get a free trial subscription right now with me itself. Anyone who wants to get the free trial right now with me, if you will, If you wish, then you can share your screen. I can navigate and I can show you how you can able to get that free trial right now.
I have one more question, maybe.
Yeah.
What you mentioned just now. So even in the free trial, we have to delete the resources what we have created, or else
That
it
is a
will
better
be useless.
mechanism that we are going to practice.
But if we don't, will it also be charged like as you use?
I
Or
will talk about this negative scenario after some time later. Okay.
okay, and second question adjacent to that is there any limitation that we have in free trial that we can't use? I mean,
We
should we
have
switch in
we
some
have
case?
we have it. Okay, so we will talk about it. Okay, because your questions are a little bit higher than what we currently doing on it. Okay, when the time comes, 200% the time will come, I know. Okay, that particular time I will talk about this. Okay, now anyone who wants to get a free trial subscription, you can just share your screen and I can completely help for you, and the other people also can do the same mechanism. Okay, anyone who is willing to share your screen, guys? Guys, volunteer is something important. Okay, I appreciate Anand, really. Okay, great. Now you can click on okay, you can open your incognito window. That would be better. Okay, just type portal.azure.com.
Sorry, voice is audible,
Yeah,
not audible to me. Sorry.
okay. Portal.azure.com. Portal. Portal.azure. Yes. Guys, this is the website that you're all going to use. Okay, when you basically enter this site, okay, it will ask you for the login credentials, and if you have an account, you can directly sign in. If you don't have anything, you can click on create one. It can be Gmail, it can be Outlook, it can be any account. Okay, if you want to give a try for the first time, just type your Gmail ID here and click on next. Let's see whether you have an account which is synced with Microsoft or not. Okay, click on next. Okay, click on send code. I believe that this particular email, which would have been signed in your mobile phone as well. So if S,
Okay, just
then check your mobile phone. You would have got an OTP. Enter that here.
okay, just a second. Yeah.
Yeah, please, sir. Okay,
Okay, sorry,
okay,
just a second.
okay, okay. No worries. Okay, you can click on S or no. Anything is fine. That's it, guys. He landed to his home page right now. Okay, so this is the page that everyone will be landing. Okay, when you just type portal.azure.com, it will prompt you to sign in with your email ID. You can just sign in if you already have an account with Microsoft, or if you want to create a new email ID and you want to do it, it's absolutely your call. Okay, you want to sign into that portal and you will land to this particular screen. Now click on maybe later. In mid of your screen, you see a small box, right? Click on maybe later. And here inside the portal.azure.com, you see there is a search box. Inside, you just type subscription. Just type the first three letters, SUB. Yes, click on it. Right now, you will not be having any sort of subscription. See, nothing is there. None of the entities match match the given filter. Okay. Okay, great, no worries. Now click on the home button. At the top you have, yes, click on it. Right now, I know very well that this is the first time he is logging to his portal.azure.com. I just want to show how you can just check whether you have a subscription or not. Okay, now great. You have a start button over there. Can you just click on it? The first,
First one,
you
right?
see? Yeah, yes, exactly. Click on it. Yes. When you click on this, it will navigate you to a new page and it will ask you two things. Hey boss, you want to go with free trial or you wanted to go with pay as you go? And 200% we know very well that we want to go for the free trial. Okay, click on free trial, which means try Azure for free. Now here it will ask few set of questions and you need to answer that questions. Let's see, very simple things. Your first name is automatically filled and your last name got filled and your email ID it's got filled up. Just scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Yeah, you need to provide your phone number. Just provide your phone number which you're using and click on text me. That number is going to receive an OTP. That OTP you can enter right here in your screen. Yeah. At the bottom, you have a verification code, right? You can enter the code here. Right? It might take an additional 2 to 3 minutes because we are almost in to close it. Click on verify code. Okay. It's ask the company name, right? You don't want to provide your right company name as well. If you want to give a company name, like if you want to give Besant, you can just give Besant. No, so I'll just type my company name. Then you can type it. It's anything is fine. Okay. So below the phone number, you have a company name. If you wish to give any name, you can. Okay. If you wish to give Besant, you can. It's a dummy form that we are filling up. That's it. In PAN ID is optional and line number 1 address line is there now. Here provide the address like ABCD Street.
So that is fine,
AB.
right?
That's fine. Yeah, just filling up the basic forms to get the free trial. That's it. Okay, great. Now just scroll down. Line number 2 is optional, 3 is optional. City. Just enter the correct city. Where are you from? Okay. In this case, he belongs to Tamil Nadu. Okay. And put your right pin code. Okay, just scroll down, click on the 2 agreements and click on next. And here is a place that you want to provide your card informations. Okay, and don't enter your card informations. Okay, you can hold on for a minute and
Okay.
this page will load up. But if you want to have your card in front of you, you can. Okay, now guys, as I said earlier, okay, it accepts the following card like Visa and Master. Might be some people who have a rupee or something. I'm not sure whether it will help you or not. You can give a try. Okay, but they say very clear that they accept only Visa and Master. So if you have any card which is related towards it, you can enter that and you can just cross check if rupee is working or not. Okay, I'm not pretty sure about it. And as I said earlier, right, I will just show you that no automatic charges are going to be taken from Azure end. And you see here, there is a small black color box on the right side. No automatic charge is written over there. Can you able to see that black color box in mid of your screen? Yes, that is the point. Okay, so they give a very clear statement that no automatic charges are going to be taken, even your free trialers got completed, and you are going to be super safe. Okay, now this particular page, you know how to fill it. Just enter the card name and a number, expiry, CVV, and once the job is done, just keep on scrolling down and click on sign up. Okay, now stop your presenting, so because I don't want to expose your card informations here. Anand, like you wanted to do the process right now with me?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
Can I
Yeah.
do it?
Then, yeah. Yeah. Yes. You can stop the presenting. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Your screen is not visible for us, so you are safe right now.
Okay.
And you can just enter the your name and your 16-digit number of the card, expiry, CVV. And once that is done, just scroll to the bottom and click on sign up, and then you can share your screen. Okay. So that we are not able to see the card informations and you are super safe.
Yep, sure. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. And we know that even the people knows the card name and the number, right? They can't able to do anything until or unless they
Yeah.
have the valid OTP. But anyhow, when it comes to security, we want to be super safe at all time.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Thank you.
Guys, sorry for taking additional time. Okay, so we are all, I thought of doing it tomorrow. Okay, since it's a first day, at least you will learn something, so that's the reason just got it here. And I need to
Uh,
talk one small thing. Once this is done, you guys can stay for additional 5-10 minutes. That would be better.
yep, sure. Sure.
First,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And then just want to make sure. So currently,
Okay.
what I've done,
Okay.
or
Yeah, just a second. I'm sharing the screen. No issue.
yeah, yeah, please. Okay, guys, I believe he is almost done. Okay, he did that job, and then now you can just say your people how much of rupees that was debited from your
Yeah,
bank.
2 rupee only. Yeah.
2 rupees, right, guys?
Yeah.
This is not myself. This is one among your team member who said there is only 2 rupees of debition that has happened from this particular end. Okay, and if you click on go to portal, you have a blue color option over there. He provided the card information and he validated his OTP and all done. There is a 2 rupee which was debition which happened from his account, and currently he's going back to the portal.azure.com. Okay, now here you have a search box at the top. Right now just type subscription. Earlier we didn't see anything. Right now you can able to see there will be one subscription and which is currently in the status of active. So he got the subscription right now with me. Okay, so hardly it took like 5-10 minutes, guys, to get the subscription. That too I'm teaching and I'm doing it. And if you want to do it on your own, this is hardly going to take less than 5 minutes. Just spending 5 minutes, that's going to save your life for next 30 days. Okay, so let's see how much days he got actually. Click on Azure subscription when you have something, a subscription name called Azure subscription one, right? Click on it and let's see that how many days he got. And one small pop-up is there. Can you just close it? Multi-factor authentication is
Yes.
required. Yeah, and here you have a subscription which is written in a black color big font, and you have a arrow mark towards it, two arrow marks. Can you able to see? I will let you know. Just little bit above at the top right side, subscription is written in a black big font. Can you able to see that?
Here, I
Top
didn't get
right
that.
side,
Top right.
which means left side, I believe. Yes, it's left. It's left. You see
Okay, this
below
one.
the home. Yeah, below that you see. Yeah, next towards that there is a two arrow mark which is pointing towards it. Can you able to see there? Yes, exactly.
Yeah.
Now here is a place that I'm looking for. Currently, why it is not showing? Okay, in the left hand side, click on overview is there. Now click on activity log.
Yes.
Below that, click on activity log. Again, click on overview. Click on overview.
Okay.
Just want to see that here is a place it will show that how many number of days it is remaining. Okay, remaining 28 days or 30 days or something. Okay, that's fine. It's not showing today. Might be just now you got your subscription. We will check the same point tomorrow. So that's it
Okay.
for today, which I need to talk about when it comes to subscription, guys. So, and as I shared my screen already, I have given a clear idea what we are going to do, and then we'll implement it practically as well. The same things we are going to do when we learn also. I'm going to talk something about in my screen, and we will do it practically also, so that that will be super good for you to understand both theoretical and practical. So this how our complete journey is going to be clear, guys. Everything from zero. Only one thing, just be with me and give your focus. That is absolutely fine for me to make you to put in a good position. Okay. So that's it for today, which I need to talk. And we are super good. And I request everyone to get your subscription so that we'll be good to go and proceed further. And one small request, guys. So can we have this call between 8 to 9? Will it be okay for everyone, or is there anyone who cannot able to do it? You can just say yes or no. That would be better. 8 to 9.
I
Uh,
7,
Yes,
7
sir.
to 8
yes.
is
7 to 8.
7 to 8 is only possible. 8 to 9 is not possible.
8 to 9 is that is okay for me. But
Okay,
not
then
set with
let's go.
all the some people.
Okay, yeah, I need to consult with other people as well, right? That's the reason. Is anyone who's not okay? Those alone can please let me know.
I'm comfortable with 7 to 8.
Okay, you are comfortable only with 7 to 8.
Yes.
yeah, only 7 to 8.
Okay. How about others?
7 to 8 will be good, sir.
Okay. Okay, we'll see. Okay, guys, we'll see. No worries. We'll plan it accordingly. Okay, because most of the time my works also closes at 7. Sometime it might close a little bit if it is extends, right? Then this and that might be a little bit getting clashed. Okay, that's the reason. If it is 7 to 8, I'm also completely free and you will also be okay. Then I thought it will be super good. So just want to take a confirmation. If everyone are okay, then only I will just try to move it. If someone or the other one has any concern or something, we'll see accordingly and plan it. Okay, no worries. And today we had a small introduction and then we created a free trial and we are super good. Okay, so this is about today, and people can drop off if you are getting delay. Okay, so if any questions or something, okay, you can just wait and you can ask your questions so that I'm super happy to help you. Okay, any questions, guys? Yes, no will be better.
No, no, my friend.
Okay, yes, sir. Thank you. Anyone else ask any questions? Yes, no will be better, guys, please.
No comments.
Okay, fine then. Okay. Yeah, thanks then. We'll meet later tomorrow and we will learn higher the ladder. Thanks all. Thanks all for joining with me.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.